guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rita and today we are in a little bit of a different setup, as you can probably tell by the background and my outfit. You can also take a peek over there. That's gonna be my vanity where I usually film. So for today's video, I just wanted to do a quick little review on this gym sets or outfits that I've had for almost a year at this point. I have grown my collection over time, and I find that for what they are, that I feel like they're a very high quality kind of like gym outfits. They are very affordable, especially comparing them to higher end brands like Gymshark or Lululemon, that I feel like the prices are just ridiculously expensive, at least on my eyes. I believe they're now shipping from California somehow, or maybe I'm just imagining it because of the receipt that I've received last time. I can't really remember at this time, but I'm gonna share with you all of the ones that I have. I'm not gonna be doing any kind of like squat proof test. Just FYI, these are definitely squat proof. You're not gonna be getting anything see-through. These are my lighter ones. They're like a white with like some speckled, like a little bit of gray speckled on them, but ultimately they're white leggings and you cannot tell anything on the back, so I really love them. I have all sorts of colors that I'll show in a minute, and I have one set that is my newest one that I did want to kind of like unbox or unbag with you, but I'll be trying them all for you. This one is the first one, probably one of my most comfortable tops. All of them are similar but different because they do have different styles of the tops, and the bottoms I do only own one style. They do have different ones, but these are the only ones that I've tried and I love them. So because I like them so much, I don't really feel the need to try other ones they have, because if they don't fit, I believe it's gonna be more expensive for me to refund them or like send them back to the UK compared to just keeping them. Some of the sets are going to be a little bit older and you might not find them on the website right now, but for my experience, or with my experience, I could tell this is a great brand of gym clothes, and I don't think the quality changes from a model to a different one. So this one might not be available, but any of the other ones that are still available I still really love. Over the summer they did bring out a new collection, which is kind of like a recycled material, which I absolutely love. I believe these are made with like plastic, like reused plastic, something among those lines. I'll definitely leave some information here on the screen. But whenever I got these ones, I only tried this blue set. I also have a pink one. That's the one that I'm gonna be unboxing in a little while, or like unbagging. But I did notice with the blue that the fabric is just a little bit, not thinner, but it feels softer, and on the pants, even though they're the same size, I feel like they're a little bit more loose compared to these ones. So the fabric did change, but I still love them. So now let's go ahead and take a look at all of the ones that I own. This second top is definitely my favorite in kind of like cuteness. I love the little spaghetti straps. They're very comfy. I am, of course, very flat-chested, so if you're someone way bigger than me, this is probably not going to be the most comfortable, because this is probably just like a medium support. So if you have more situation here, then probably another one of the tops would be best for you that have like more support on the straps. But this one for me is perfect, and I just love how cute it looks with the little spaghetti straps. This third one is probably my favorite shade. I just love this light gray. I feel like I can use it with black tennis shoes, or white tennis shoes, and then gray tennis shoes, which is kind of like the three ones that I own, and I just love it. I feel like it's so versatile. This color is my favorite. That being said, I have a pink one that I need to try that I haven't opened just yet. But this is a gray one, and it has a very intricate and interesting bag, as you can probably tell. It's quite different and I really do like it. And this one definitely offers more support, as the straps are way thicker. So if you have, bigger chest, this is probably something that will be more up your alley compared to the other one we just saw, like the green seafoam shade, which has just the spaghetti straps. This is another favorite. I just love this burnt orange shade. It definitely screams fall to me. I just love it. And the top is also one of those thicker straps, and the back is very cute because it's like in a V back. I really, really love it. Another one that I absolutely love, this top. I love the shade and I love the shape of it. I love the very deep V neck, and it has those thicker straps to kind of like give a little bit more support. This is gonna be another one that if you have, you know, bigger chest area, this is probably gonna be a little too revealing, maybe not the best for like high intensity workouts or like high intensity cardio. But for the most part, I think it's gonna be cute regardless of if you're more flat-chested like myself or big-chested, if that makes any sense. I don't particularly love these pants. The leggings are a little too revealing for me, so on the, you know, this area, you can definitely see a little bit of your underwear, so that's not something that I particularly love. I still wear them, but whenever I do, I try to be a little more careful with the kind of underwear I'm wearing. I mean, right now I'm wearing kind of like that underwear that's like the fabric that you can't really see, and even with this fabric, you can actually see a little bit on the front area. I'm not gonna like entirely show you, but yeah, just keep that in mind if you do this, if you do see this set still lying around the website. A super fun color for the summer. I actually did get this before summer started in mind of like, hey, I want like a cute color for this spring summer, and this is just adorable. I love the lighter, not really lavender, but kind of like lighter purple. I think it's so pretty and very very flattering, I feel, on my skin tone. I really like it. It's one of those spaghetti straps that I like as well. This one is just a little bit more full coverage, as you can probably tell, but still very, very cute. Last three items I don't actually have a set of, so I wanted to do them to the very end before we get into the new fabric, the light blue one that I showed you earlier. So this one, I just got the top in this beautiful navy blue shade. I really wish they had this one as a bottom, but by the time I got mine, the bottom of this shade was already out of stock in my size. So unfortunately, I don't have a set, but this one I like to wear with the other two bottoms or leggings that I don't have a top for. So this was from an older collection, this shade. I don't believe I remember the name at this point, but this is kind of like a more salmon-y shade, like a more pink salmon, and then I have a more kind of like mauvey or like darker purple, which this three, again, I don't have a set of. I haven't really been talking about my sizing, but all of them are gonna be small, both in bottoms and tops. This is the only top out of all of the ones that I showed you and all of the ones that I own that's a medium one. All of the other ones are small. For this one, I believe whenever I ordered it, they already were out of stock of the small one and only had a medium and like large, extra larges. So I thought, well, I don't think it's gonna be a huge difference between small and medium. So I just went on and ordered the medium, and I'm glad I did because it fits perfectly fine. And this one, just like the purple top, is going to be with the spaghetti straps, a little bit more taller, so it gives more coverage. It's very comfortable. Last two sets, these are from the newest collection, so like the recycled one. I only have two of them, this blue one that I just love, and then a new one that I need to unbag because it's not really a box. This one is the pink shade. So these ones are from recycled materials, and I don't know what they did, but the fabric is so much softer than all of the other ones that I own. All of them are in general pretty soft, but these ones are just buttery, buttery soft. I really love them. This one is in the shade, I believe, Marina Blue. leggings full price are gonna retail for $35, and then the tops are gonna be $25. Like I was mentioning earlier, I bought all of this from the Flexxfit website, and always with a discount. I always wait for some kind of discount and then I go ahead and purchase. This blue set also has these cute little spaghetti straps that I love, and it's definitely more of the full coverage on kind of like the chest area and also your belly. It definitely covers more than all of the other tops that I have. And then the back is just like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open these ones. I haven't tried them because, again, I was just waiting to film. They still have the tags and everything. So they are, again, a UK brand. So this is what the tags look like. It just says Flexxfit. And then right here. You look gorgeous, and here it says that it's going to be made with recycled material, and it explains to you kind of like the benefits of this recycled material. This is a pink one and I cannot wait to try it. And then the top, I believe I got the same model. Yeah, I think it's like the same model. Yep, it's the same one. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this one and then I'll be right back. This is going to be a beautiful pink. I really like it, and again, the fabric is just super soft, just like the blue, and it's the exact same top as the blue one. So spaghetti straps, more coverage on the top, and then more coverage on the belly area. Okay, you guys, so that's gonna be all the sets that I own from Flexxfit. I definitely love this brand, as you can probably tell by all of the ones that I own, especially for someone who doesn't work out as much. Let's be honest, I'm not gonna try to pretend here that I'm like a gym expert and I go every single day and like lift all these weights. No, I don't, but I do like to work out at least 2 or 3 times a week. I try to make it a point to go work out, at least do videos on like my phone or something, just because I know that I need to be more active. My lifestyle is very sedentary and it has been for a very long time. So getting these sets definitely inspires me to go more to the gym, to move out a little bit more. And I also love using this whenever Michael and I are gonna go on like a bike ride or something. They're just so versatile, and again, so cute. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!